Make sure you stay until the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video 20 week having a Ford Escape, guys. That generation right here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the TPMS fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, how the system works, if you have a TPMS warning light, what you need to do, where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way do not waste money and time, why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say, guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So guys, TPMS fuses, where you can expect to find them, we'll demonstrate on that generation Ford Escape right here. This is the same generation, that's the model before the facelift, that's after the facelift, it will work for both. You guys have multiple fuse boxes, one is under the hood here. You have another fuse box that's on the inside, underneath a carpet liner, underneath the dash. That's hidden, looks like this one, and then you have a fuse box in the trunk that looks like that one. But where are the fuses for the TPMS system? Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, now practically for a TPMS system you have no fuses, but you have something else, and we'll explain what it is. No system are specifically dedicated. We will need to check fuses for the BCM module and powertrain fuses as well. If you need to buy the tool to scan the TPMS system, to relearn, to program sensors, to find the fault, to rewrite IDs, that's one of the best ones and most affordable ones. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. But TPMS system does not have fuses. How it functions, you have a special module, special computer that's known as tire pressure monitor system. That's why it's TPMS system, guys. So that special computer practically controls your TPMS system. And now if you have a light, okay, that could be triggered by a low tire. If you added air, it still doesn't fix itself. You may need to rewarm your TPMS sensors. We have a special procedure how to do that. Check it out, it will be on our channels. How to relearn TPMS sensor on Ford. It's not very complicated. If that doesn't fix it, you may have a bad sensor, guys, or you may have to reprogram the sensors. Now if you want to see how to program TPMS sensor, we have the video as well on our channels. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.